Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, you all are fine at your home and doing well about your work and taking care of your health as well. So, it's week 2 and video lesson number 2, and we are grade 7 on unit number 10. We are discussing our topic light. So, in this video lesson, dear students, we will talk about light, and this is very interesting unit and colorful. And as you know, that we are looking about many phenomena of light that are also applicable in our daily life. So, today in this video lesson, we are going to see about refraction, another phenomena of light, and refraction in different medium. How does it is cause, and what is apparent depth exactly in water, and we will see some interesting facts also. So this is about our video lesson number 2, unit number 10, light. Topic is refraction. So dear students, you can see here we will talk about another phenomena of light, that is refraction of light. And let's start with the speed of light. Light travels at a speed of 300,000 km per second. At this speed, light from the sun reaches the earth within 9 minutes. But when it is reaching the earth, maybe some of the light is reflected back, but some is refracted, and the speed of light is a reason for that. Light slows down when enters in different mediums such as glass and water. So when light is passing through these material, because it is not going to reflect back from these materials, such kind of material, light has to pass through them. And so in when it's traveling through glass and water, so light speed is slowed down, and that results in the phenomena called as a refraction of light. If a ray of light it meets the new material at an angle, it bends. So that bending of light, actually it calls it refraction. So let's see an example of glass. Here you can see that it is a piece of glass, and a small piece of glass, and here is the medium air. Now light from the source, any source, maybe any source like tube light or whatever you can say, the light is being traveling in the form of rays. It is striking onto this glass surface, onto this position at this point. So this light ray is called as incident ray. It is coming from the light source, and this way it is traveling, as I am showing you with the arrowhead, and it is going to incident at this point of incident, that is the material glass. Now at this point, the material, the light speed is changed over here. As you can see, the light incident ray has to move to this direction actually, but now you can see the light has bent. This bending has been occur. Bending means the light has changed its direction. Actually it has to go this side, but it is moving to this side. So this bending of light actually is a cause of a refraction. So you can see, same is we will see over here. If we draw a normal to that of the incident ray, the angle between the normal and the incident ray is the angle of incidence, and it is denoted by I, as you can see here. And the angle between the refracted ray, this is refracted ray, and refracted ray, and this normal, this angle is called as R. This is angle of refraction. Now if we move this refracted ray straight in the glass, and then at this point it strikes at this point, and again the medium is changed. Now from glass medium to air, the light has to travel. So from the glass, after passing through the glass, the light is coming out. Again you can see here is a change of the direction of the light. Here it was making this angle r, that is angle of refraction, and here when it is moving out, you can see it has changed its direction. Now if you observe this ray that is coming out from the glass slab, it is called as emergent ray. Now three rays you have studied. One is incident, the light ray that is coming from the source and traveling through the air and striking the glass. The light ray which is passing inside the glass, it is called as the refractive ray. It's the same ray of light, but it has changed its direction. It has make angle of refraction with the normal, and then it strikes and come out. That ray is called emergent. Now again the light is back into the air and it has onto the same direction as it was. So if we just say these light, if I draw and make it straight, go like this, you can see that these two ray, emergent ray and incident ray, they are parallel to each other. So you can see these are parallel lines, and emergent ray and incident ray, but not the refracted one. Refracted one has bending, shown bending over here. So you can say I angle is greater than, I is what, I is angle of incidence, and r is what, angle of refraction. So I angle is greater than angle of refraction, as in case of air and glass. So this phenomena, it is called as bending of light, and this bending of light actually it results in the process or phenomena of light that is called as refraction. Now dear students, you can see same refraction phenomena. Refraction phenomena takes place when light ray, when incident or changes its mediums, it bends, or it passes through the medium and it is bent. So you can see light from air has been changed its medium to water. So light from the air, from the source, is coming into the water, and here you can see again there is a bending of light. So whenever there is a change in the medium, like air and glass we studied in the previous slide, now we are studying the example of air and water. Again here the bending of light has been taken place, and the incidence angle is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. It is greater than the refraction angle. And what is refraction angle? It is the angle between the normal and the refracted ray. So this is phenomena of refraction of light. So here you, in this slide, you will be telling me some answers. So here is a quiz for you. You have to test yourself. You will be drawing this diagram very nicely in your notebook, and you will be trying to use ruler and scale, you can say, or very neatly you have to draw the diagrams. Now you can see when first you will be drawing this line, ray of light, and what is this ray of light called? You will be telling its name, okay? And then it is you going to bend over here, because the medium air and glass, different medium. So light is passing from air to the glass now, so it is bending over here. Then you will very nicely draw a normal. Normal means 90 angle to that of the incident ray and to that of the refracted ray. So you will label this ray, ray you can label to this side, and then you can write its name here. And the angle here, it is angle of incidence. And what is the angle of incidence? You will label here. And this is R. What does it stands for? This R stands for, you are going to label this R to this side. This is what, okay? So this you can do this side. And what this N stands for, you have to label to this side. So very slowly we are observing this diagram, So in this way you can check yourself, and also you can when drawing take care that these lines, this is what incident line, and the line that is coming out from the glass and the again in touches in the air, travels in the air medium. So what does this ray called, and either it is parallel or not. So you will measure it with the scale and then you will see. Okay, so though you can see there's these lines, they are, you can see they are either parallel or not. So yes, they are parallel to each other. So in this way, by doing practice by yourself and writing its name, you will be telling its name, and you can do practice for that. Here are certain examples for the refraction of light. As you can see here, the straw in the glass, apparently this glass has to straw in the glass has to be taking up this position, but now you can see it seems to be bent over here. It is due to just it seems that the straw is not at its location. It's very unique phenomena. You can observe it in the transparent water, in transparent glass. You can do that, and you can see that straw has been broken. But actually when you take out the straw is actually straight, but it seems to be bent into the water. This phenomena is due to bending of light. As you can see, the light rays, they are moving, and when they change the medium, they bend towards normal. Okay, so here same is the case with the pencil. You can observe this activity at your home. You can see that your pencil, when it is kept in the water, it seems to be broken, but when you will take out, the pencil is not broken. Same is the case with the coin or a fish in the tank. You observe that anything in the transparent material, actually it is not at the position it apparently it should be over here, but it is on the other position due to this bending of light. This is position of the coin. So you can observe these phenomena in daily life examples, and these are all examples of what? Examples of refraction. So in this slide you will see why a refraction in different material it is different. So the reason is that change in the speed of the light. So you can see that if when a light enters a material at an angle and it changes direction because its speed changes. If the material is very dense, the light slow downs. So more dense materials, more is the less speed of the light, and refraction rays bend towards the normal. You can see the angle of refraction, it is slow down here in the case of if the denser material light passes from into denser medium, you can see the angle of refraction is less in this case over here. But if it is passed the material which is less dense, so because most of the cases we are looking about the light is from the air, passes from to the water, into the glass, and into the diamond, and there is a comparison. You can see that from water you can see the refraction of light. You can see it is because water is less dense as compared to glass and diamond, so you can see the angle of refraction is greater. The light refracted ray is away from the normal, as in the case of say you can see here the light travels faster inside the medium because the medium is less dense. So it depends upon the speed actually of the light when it changes the medium. If the medium is denser, its speed slow down, but if the medium is less dense, so the light speed is there is no any difference between passing from air to the other medium, as you can see here in the case of air to water. But air to glass, little movement towards the normal, and here there is you can see more refraction, more banding, so you can see that refraction towards the normal. So this is in this way you have studied refraction in different materials. Let's see about their particular examples. As here you can see in water, in glass, what happens, the light from air, it passes to glass. You see the angle of incidence, if it is 60, in case of glass it is